How to rank gig on Fiverr 2023. Here are some tips to help you improve your gig's visibility. Keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords in your gig title, description, and tags. Think about the terms buyers are likely to search for when looking for services like yours. High-quality gig images. Use clear and high-resolution images that represent your services. Fiverr allows you to upload multiple images, so showcase your work from different angles if applicable. Detailed gig description. Write a comprehensive and engaging gig description. Clearly explain what you offer, the value you provide, and any unique selling points. Use proper formatting to make it easy to read. Pricing strategy. Set competitive prices based on your skills and experience. You may initially offer lower prices to attract clients and gather positive reviews, but make sure it reflects the value of your services. Offer packages. Consider offering different packages for your services. This gives buyers more options and can help you appeal to a broader range of clients. Gig extras. Utilize gig extras to provide additional services at an extra cost. This can increase your overall earnings and make your gig more attractive to buyers. Customer reviews. Provide excellent service to your clients to receive positive reviews. Positive reviews can significantly impact your gig's ranking and attract more buyers. Response time. Respond to messages and inquiries promptly. Fiverr takes response time into account when ranking gigs, so staying responsive can positively impact your visibility. Promote your gig. Share your gig on social media and other platforms to increase its visibility. You can also leverage Fiverr's own promotion tools, such as Fiverr Promoted Gigs. Stay active on Fiverr. Regularly update your gig and profile to show that you are an active and engaged seller. Fiverr rewards active users with higher visibility. Optimize gig tags. Use all available tag slots and choose tags that accurately describe your services. This will improve your gig's chances of appearing in relevant search results. Stay informed. Keep an eye on Fiverr's updates and policies. Adapting to changes in the platform's algorithms or features can help you stay ahead of the competition.